What is good? What is good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, gang? It is another beautiful Friday, another payday as well. You know, with my econ and TCP. And guys, and I really wanted to talk about TCP today because I wanted to tell you guys. I wanted to talk about how it's really been a blessing to me and my family, man. Those residual payments every Friday. You know, always making good money with the company and pretty much just feeling good about a product that's with it, you know. There's not a lot of oversold hype with the business. It's just strictly here to help you, you know, with your marketing, you know, your marketing skills, and along provide you with a marketing family. You know, we provide a marketing system literally that has a lot of tools in there, from the autoresponder to the page builder to the lead source that you can purchase leads. I mean, you have the link shortener, URL. I mean, there's a plethora of tools that we offer for you guys to utilize. And here's the thing, you get it for 14 days, man. You know, they're letting you try this thing out with no credit card, no nothing, for 14 days. And it gives, excuse me, it allows people to make a lot of money. And in the same time, it allows you to get time to learn exactly how to really utilize the system. You know, we don't, in 7 days, sometimes we want to be honest, you know, that's not enough time to really get to utilize the system. You know, it's just kind of go through the back office. But when you have a full 2 weeks along with the training that we provide, you can go out and get a lot of people to check this thing out. So 14 days, guys, you can check this out for free. And there are people that are making some good money with this program, guys. I always tell you, you know, there's people making $1,000+ a week with this program. Now, some people are looking to retire from their job. Some people are looking to do something differently. Some people just want a little bit more time freedom, but want to make money while they're enjoying that time freedom. And this opportunity does provide that. I will be honest. You know, there's a lot of programs that I do promote, a lot of upfront commissions, a lot of things like that. But, you know, this is something that a lot of people need. They need the tools. They need the tools. And not only do they need the tools, people are making a lot of money just utilizing our leads in the back office. See, our leads in the back office, when you purchase our leads in the back office, these are people that have already expressed interest as far as making money online. So the only thing that you need to do is just go out and talk to these people. Literally, that's all you need to do is just go out and talk to them. I mean, call them, text them, email them. You know, the thing is, here's the thing. We give you training on how to do that. We give you training on what to text. We give you training on what to say. If you do call and leave a voice message, literally, guys. So we give you that. We have a text message blaster. So it's just about will you take advantage of something that's going to help you. And the thing is this, you know, I always like to break it down like this with this program. Everybody's always out digging for gold. Literally digging for gold. Everybody has the best opportunity since sliced bread. So it's join me, join me, join me, join me. But here's the thing. People all need marketing systems. Everybody need marketing systems. People need something duplicatable for their team. People need something that works for them literally on autopilot, that do all the selling and telling for them. And that's the type of products that we do provide. These are the type of products that we provide. So regardless if you're in weight loss, cosmetics, Forex, e-commerce, if you're looking to build a team, most of the time you're going to be able to utilize, you're going to need a marketing system because you want to make it all duplicatable. Otherwise, guess what? You're going to be trying to talk to everybody and say, hey, do this. You're going to need to do this. You're going to need to do that. You're going to need to do this. You're going to need to do that. So when you get a marketing system, you're putting everything in place, guys. It's as simple as just copying the code to get the pages. So I pretty much do a lot of hard work. You know, any of my business programs that I have people to join, I'll do majority of the work as far as building the funnel. And then when people join me, I'll actually have a trainer or so showing you how to put your funnel together, and you can go out and do the same exact thing. Rinse and repeat. We don't make this hard at all, guys. We keep it very simple. You can literally have everything in-house with this particular system. Okay? Now again, I've talked about a lot of things in the system. I talked about that you can make weekly income with this program. Now I want to get to what it costs. Okay, a lot of people want to know what it costs. Coming from Massachusetts. So a lot of people want to know what it costs. Okay, so what it costs is $50 a month once your 14-day trial is over. And then every time that you introduce this to someone and they decide that they want to actually take advantage of it as well, then you're going to get a 50% commission off of that. So you're going to earn a $25 residual income. Now, I know it may not seem like a lot. I want to be honest. $25, like, Jay, come on, man, for real. But that residual income add up. You know, if you got 200 people paying you $100, I mean, you know, $25, guys, that's some good money. And you got to think about it. You're giving away free trials. We're giving you leads. We give you leads. And when you decide to join me, I'm going to go an extra mile. I'm going to give you Facebook ad training. I'm going to give you Instagram ads training, YouTube ad training. I'm also going to give you access to an SMS blaster that I utilize for these businesses. So I'm going to do you one even better. I'm going to give you additional trainings that you can go out and utilize as far as social media training. And that's only if you don't want to buy leads. Some people just prefer to keep it simple and just buy leads out the back office and can just reach out to people. Pick up the phone. Let people know you're real. Shoot a video. Give them a voice message when you text them. You know? So guys, the goal is to make moolah. And it is Friday. As I mentioned, it's another TCP payday. Guys, sometimes when I shoot these videos in the morning, I try to upload them also in the morning. But if I don't, then I'll try to wait till I get the alert that I've been paid with TCP. So you can see, guys, that it is real for that date as well. I mean, I put them up every Friday. So just jump in, all right? I look forward to having you a part of the family. We no longer welcome people into our groups, guys, because, you know, he said he wants to keep the walls and stuff fresh with new content training. He doesn't want a lot of the new members to get lost in all the welcomes and they should be seeing content. So if you do decide to join, what I ask you to do is reach out to me. Let me know, Jay, I'm in. I'm going to provide you with the resources. And definitely here's the thing. The paid training, I'm not going to give it to you until you've done your 14-day trial. Okay? No, matter of fact, I just give it to you, man. It is what it is. I just give it to you. That's what it is. It's Friday, man. I'm gonna be blessed regardless for this. So when you come in, you're gonna get my additional bonuses regardless, man. I just want us all to win, succeed, and get to the next level. So this your boy Jay. I'm out. Have a beautiful and blessed Friday. Until the next video. Also, I forgot, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, so that way you can be a part of everything that we have going on. All the new videos that drop, you'll be alerted of it. So I'm gonna holler at y'all, man. Peace.